Hey there! Ever wondered how many times a day should I feed my cat? In this video, we'll break down how often your cat should eat based on its age and health. Let's get started. Part 1. Kittens, newborn to 6 months. Kittens need more frequent meals than adult cats. From 6 weeks to 3 months old, feed them 4 times a day. From 3 to 6 months, 3 meals a day is enough. Their bodies are growing fast, so they need constant energy. Part 2. Adult cats, over 6 months. As cats grow older, their growth slows down, and they don't need to eat as often. Adult cats, 6 months to 7 years. Usually 2 meals a day, morning and evening, are just fine. You can leave dry food out all day, but scheduled meals are generally better. Part 3. Factors that affect meal frequency. Feeding frequency can vary depending on activity level, an active cat needs more food, weight and health condition, type of food, wet or dry. Always consult your vet to create the best feeding schedule for your cat. So here's the general rule: kittens, 3 to 4 meals a day. Adult cats, 2 meals a day. And don't forget to provide fresh water at all times. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cat care tips.